Good day to my future employer. I am Annalyn Bolongaita. I am 37 years old. I am a solo parent to my 16 years old daughter. I am an undergraduated college student, took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I am a Filipino domestic helper and caregiver with over 9 years work experience. I serve families both in the Philippines and in the Middle East with dedication, honesty, and compassion. My first work experience was in Saudi Arabia. I work for a family that has 7 members, consisting of a father, a mother, and 5 children. My duties are cleaning the house, taking care of the children, ironing and washing the clothes, car washing, gardening, taking care of the pets. I served this family for 2 years and 3 months, from September 2015 until January 2018. My second work experience was in Kuwait. I work for a family that has 6 members, consisting of a couple and 4 grown-up children. My duties are cooking and cleaning the house. I served this family for 2 years, from October 2018 until November 2020. From January until June 2021, I went to a caregiving training in TESDA. I hold a basic nursing skills certificate and a caregiving national certificate 2 issued by TESDA, or the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. I work as a caregiver for a 76 years old man with an ambulatory condition. My duties are assisting him with his daily living task and helping him with his hygiene, giving his doctor's prescribed medicines on time. I work with him for 1 year, from July 2021 until August 2022. From September 2022, I went to Kuwait to work as a caregiver, but I end up to be a household helper. I serve for a family that has 4 members, consisting of a couple and 2 children. My duties are taking care of the youngest child, which is a 1-year-old baby boy, and cleaning the house. I served this family for 2 years and 6 months, from September 2022 until March 2025. Now I decided to work in Hong Kong because of high salary, so I can support my daughter's study and I can provide her daily needs, and also I can give financial for my parents and siblings. To my future employer, if you will choose to hire me as your helper, I will do my best to satisfy your needs, and I will continue to work with you for as long as you need my service. I just renewed my passport and it has 10 years validation. I am to work with you for 10 years or for as long as you need me. Thank you, ma'am, sir.